Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. Nexxus is a quality brand, but I have never used a foam shampoo before, and it has changed the way I view shampoo. This is amazing. So this is really great for your scalp and your hair. It's sulfate free. It's infused with protein from wheat and from ginger root. So that is really interesting. I find that this really cleans my hair well, getting rid of any excess buildup, and it also leaves my scalp feeling very good. I would highly recommend this. All you have to do is you shake it, you apply a palm-sized amount into your hand, and then you massage it onto your scalp and hair, and you go ahead and put it through to the bottom as well. And you will be surprised at how well your hair does with this foam shampoo from Nexxus. I've really been enjoying using this, and I think you will too. It smells amazing, but that's just my point of view.